Hello.
Hey, hey.
Today we will make a homemade mango ice cream.
Yeah, we try to do this something. Normally we are not professional in cooking, but now the summer comes and let's try to do an ice cream.
Yesterday I see mango at the supermarket, and then I tell Adri, do you wanna eat mango ice cream? Because in Switzerland don't have much, right? And then we just try to do by ourselves.
Yeah, and the mango here in Switzerland, they are red, green, yellow. It's not the same in Thailand because I think you have the yellow one, right?
In Thailand we have all of this green, and then when it's old enough, it will look like a yellow. I think it's another species of mango, Thailand, in Switzerland, and also another country, I think.
And every mango species have a different smell, a different taste, and there are a lot, I think more than 100 different mango species from every country. I was on the Philippines, and they have a totally different smell and style of mango on the Philippines. And I mean, I love Thailand, I love the Thai dishes, the Thai fruits, but the mangoes from the Philippines, they are next level, definitely, I can say. But let's check the
Ice cream.
Yeah, try to
mango ice cream. And we use today is the important is mango, milk, coconut milk, whipped cream, and peppermint. The important thing is mixer. Now we ready to start mango ice cream. Now I cut this one.
Okay. Cut in the middle first. Okay. It's a lot. Now we cut some of these leaves. I put it in the inside. Check some peppermint leaves. Okay, the lime juice. Milk. Coconut milk. 2.
And then we put this here. Okay, and then tomorrow we will check again. How does it look like? Hello. Good morning. We wake up yesterday we make a mango and we put it in frozen, right? And now we put the mango outside. It's harder. Yeah, you can listen. It's hard. Yeah. And first we need to cut it for put this here.
So we blender it again, right?
Yeah, because it's too hard.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, you make small pieces now? Wow.
Here. Older.
Yeah.
Very, very small.
And the reason why we blender it again is that it will be smoother, right? The ice cream is have a better creamy consistency. A little bit more sugar. Sweet. Okay, ready for blend? Put this again in this.